how to find settings on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find settings on Facebook mobile. First we're gonna do is go to Facebook and then click these three lines here, and now just go down until you find settings and privacy. Click on it, and here you will find this one, settings. And as you see here, you can manage Facebook settings, and it's easy of course, and that's it. That's how to find settings on Facebook mobile, and that's it for today's video. Please, if you like this video, don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and see you in the next video.